chat, but we no listen. Promises empty like a old mission. All the youths them stand up together strong. Babylon now keep. Babylon now keep on falling. whisper where the seaweeds grow. Fishes dance in a liquid glow. Do they know? Do they know? Beneath this sea, beneath the sea, where the world feels wild and free. Beneath this sea, beneath the sea, come drift away, just you and me. Shells hold stories of tides long past. Currents hum like a trumpet blast. The coral's a kingdom built to last. Time moves fast. Time moves fast. Bubbles rising. Hearts colliding. Rhythms calling. No denying. Beneath the sea, beneath the sea, where the world feels wild and free. Beneath the sea, beneath the sea, come drift away, just you and me. The ocean speaks in tongues unknown, 1,000 voices, a single tone. Feel the pull, you're not alone. It's home, it's home. Smoke rises slow like a whispering tide. Dreams take the wheel where the spirits collide. Roots dig deep where the earth won't lie. Chalice calls from the mountain high. Lift it up, let the smoke touch sky. Oh, oh, let the fire fly. Sun dips low and the shadows grow tall. Echoes bounce where the drum beats fall. A rhythm so ancient, it answers us all. Chalice calls from the mountain high. Lifted lift it up, let the smoke touch sky. Oh, let the fire fly. I walk the earth, but I dream of air. Feet on the ground, but my mind's out there. Adrift in thought like a leaf in the breeze. Searching for truth in the sway of the trees. Eyes on the sky, high and wide, chasing clouds where secrets hide. Eyes on the sky, can't deny. That's where the answers lie. Raindrops whisper on my weary skin, each one a story of where they've been. The wind hums low like a lost refrain, carrying voices of joy and pain. The stars blink slow like they're keeping time. A silent rhythm, a cosmic rhyme. Eyes on the sky, high and wide, chasing clouds where secrets hide. Eyes on the sky, can't deny. That's where the answers lie. Night falls heavy, but the moon's so light, guiding me home through the velvet night. Echoes of silence, they call my name. Under the heavens, we're all the same. meditation deep. Words start to rhyme. Herb therapy. Set the spirit free. Roots in the ground. Branches in the sea. Herb therapy. Healing endlessly. A cure for the mind, for the soul, for me. Green fingers plant, hope in the soil, harvest blessings from Jah's royal spoil. Sunshine kisses the leaves with grace, each puff a journey, a sacred space. Pressure dissolves, floating through the air, a natural rhythm, no burden to bear. Deep inhale, let the worries fade. Exhale, truth in a smoke parade. Heartbeat steady like the drums decree. Every breath, Jaja's melody. Herb therapy. Set the spirit free. Roots in the ground. Branches in the sea. Herb therapy. Healing endlessly. A cure for the mind, for the soul, for me. Ashes to the earth, the cycle complete. Life in the earth, wisdom bittersweet. Inhale peace, exhale strife. Herb therapy, the rhythm of life. Footsteps heavy on the dusty ground. The sun it blazes, but Jah's love surrounds. In the shadows of the mountains, I hear the sound. A rhythm, a heartbeat, it leads me on. Through the valley till the night. Jah guide me through the fire. Jah guide me through the storm. Jah guide me higher and higher. The river flows, but the bridge is weak. The road is rough and the climb is steep. Still I know Jah's promises, they keep. The stars, they whisper, they call my name. Through the the struggle I feel no shame. Jah guide me through the fire. Jah guide me through the storm. Jah guide me higher and higher. Roots so deep they kiss the core. Leaves whisper secrets forevermore. In the sunlight sway and bend. The journey of the herb, my friend. Herb, it grows, it flows, it shows. Through the cracks and through the rim, it glows, it knows, it shows. Journey of the herb, it goes. Herb, it grows, it flows, it shows. Through the cracks and through the rim, it glows, it knows, it sows. Journey of the herb, it goes. Raindrops dance on emerald skin. Life begins where storms have been. Carried by the winds of time. A tale of earth, a song sublime. From the mountains to the sea, the herb will always be free. Herb, it grows, it flows, it shows. Through the cracks and through the reed, it glows, it knows, it sows. Journey of the herb, it goes. Herb, it grows, it flows, it shows. Through the cracks and through the rain, it glows, it knows, it sows. Journey of the herb, it goes. Through the fire, through the haze, through the struggle, through the blaze. In the soil it finds its way. Herb will rise, come what may. sun, but it runs too fast. Tell me, Jah, why don't the good times last? Life in Jah, oh, it sets me free. Life in Jah, oh, it carries me through the fire, through the rain. Life in Jah takes away my pain. Life in Jah. Start to flow. Every beat a prayer, every chord a plea. Guide me, Jah, let your light be seen. No chains can bind, no walls can climb. Life in Jah, oh, it sets me free. Life in Jah, oh, it carries me through the fire, through the rain. Life in Jah takes away my pain. Life in Jah. The winds may howl, the skies may break, but Jah's love is the path I take. When shadows fall and the nights grow cold, life in Jah keeps me strong and bold. Sun climbs slow over the hill. Shadows stretch, but the air stays still. Roots dig deep where the earth feels cold. Light rise, water stories unfold. Light rise, water flowing free. Light rise, water carry me through the roots, through the sky. Light rise, water, don't ask why. Drops on leaves like a melody, whispered tales of eternity. Wind hums low through the hollow cane. Every note calls out my name. Feel the beat, hear the call. No walls, no chains, no fall. Light rise, water flowing free. Light rise, water carry me the sunbeams meet. Echoes bounce from the bass drum beat. Night falls fast, but the fire stays bright. Light rise, water through the night. Sunrise sneaks through the smoky haze. A lion's roar starts the blessed day. Feet hit the earth, no time to stray. Breath of joy in my lungs so deep. Rhythm flows like waves that lead. Rolling with ganja, feeling so free. Earth's sweet gift for you and me. Rolling with ganja under the tree. Babylon calls, but I just ignore. The system's chains can't bind me no more. Roots grow strong from the jungle floor. Lift my eyes to the mountain high. Clouds of green kiss the sky. Rolling with ganja, feeling so free. Earth's sweet gift for you and me. Rolling Roots under the moonlight, we sway, sway, sway. Dancing with the earth till the break of day. Roots under the moonlight, we stay, stay, stay. Drums talk loud and the winds reply. Smoke curls up like a dream to the sky. Earth hums low as the night goes by. Roots under the moonlight, we sway, sway, sway. Dancing with the earth till the break of day. Roots under the moonlight, we stay, stay, stay. Tree I sit so low. Sunrise whispers where the rivers flow. Clouds roll heavy like they know my name. Every drop of rain tells me we're the same. Same sky that we all live under. Same sky that pulls us asunder. Same sky that held the stars so high. Same sky that we laugh and cry. Chase shadows in the dust below. Barefoot stories only they can know. Winded hum tune through the bamboo sway, carrying secrets from yesterday. Do you hear it? Do you feel it? Heartbeat rhythm can't conceal it. Do you hear it? Do you feel it? Heartbeat rhythm can't conceal it. Asunder. Concrete jungle where the shadows leap. Every corner smells like last week's fire. Ashes rising like a gospel choir. Still in the smoke, can't see the sky. Still in the smoke, don't ask me why. Still in the smoke, we're breathing slow, but the rhythm keeps on, it never lets go. Signs melt into neon streams. Dreams get tangled in the siren beams. Every step feels like sinking sand, but the bassline steady, it helps me stand. In the haze, where the truth gets lost, smoke, don't ask me why. Still in the smoke, we're breathing slow, but the rhythm keeps on, it never lets go. Drums echo like a heartbeat's cry. Guitar skanks under a blood-red sky. Voices fade, but the rhythm survives. It's the pulse that keeps us alive. Chalice high in my hand. Smoke swirls like whispers over the land. The fire, it burns slow. The rhythm, it knows. The truth that the wicked can't withstand. Pass the chalice round and round. Feel the roots rise from the ground. One love, one flame, one sound. The stars wink at us from the dark. The moon plays its tune, leaves its mark. Every breath we take, every move we make, keeps us dancing in the spark. Pass the chalice round and round. from the ground. One love, one flame, one sound. Ashes fall, but the spirit stays. Through smoky nights and hazy days. It's not just smoke, it's a prayer we send. A circle unbroken, no start, no. Pass the chalice round and round. Feel the roots rise from the ground. One love, one flame, one sound. The moon they shine so high, so wide, guiding my feet through the ocean's tide. A silver whisper on the earth's dark side. It pull me inside. The moon die, light up the sky. The moon die, never asks why. It's watching us up so sly. The moon die, high up high. The stars they scatter like rebel fire. Ancient drums they spark desire. I hear the rhythm, I hear the cry. The moon it calls me, I can't deny. Round and round it turns, it spins, marking the place where night begins. A circle of secrets, it always wins. The moon beholding all my sins. The moon die, light up the sky. The moon die, never ask why. It's watching us up so sly. The moon die, high up high. the same, under the same. We dance, we chant, we call the name. Under the same, under the same. The rhythm a guide, we play the game. Ocean whisper about tales untold. Ancient stories in the waves unfold. One heart, one love worth more than gold. The stars them wink, the moon she sway. Night make music, we start to play. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Under the same, under the same. The beat go boom, the soul inflame. Under the same, under the same. No borders here, just love the claim. Bassline drop like thunder roll. Echoes bounce, them heal the soul. Dubwise spirit take control. Under the same, under the same.